Okay.
This meeting is being recorded.
Hmm. Okay, so minus r square. Tapos theta is okay, 7 equals to r plus theta r. And then theta, sige, theta. Tapos, sinubstitute yung theta. Okay, sige, okay na. Yung next part, yung, so okay na ako dito. Inano ko lang para maintindihan ko ano nangyari.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Second derivative test ka. And then, okay, so 3 and 116 cm square. Okay na. So yung next na question. An open container which consists of a right, show that h is equal to 60. Okay, the volume of the cone plus cylinder. Tapos binigay given the volume of the container 60. So okay, ito. Therefore, h is
Ito na. Ang laki no.
okay, 60. Okay, sige. Yung next.
Yan ba?
Kaya saan yun? Show the total surface area of the container is 2 pi r h. Teka, kinote mo na lang yung yung formula for the surface area. Di ba ito? 2 pi r h. Yan yung surface area ng cylinder. Yung
Opo.
pi r square plus quantity 2r square.
Yung cone is
Teka, na-derive mo na ba yan dati?
Opo.
Sige.
Pero ano lang po, ano siya yung ano pa yung cone is, tawag doon? Solid of revolution ng triangle po na.
And ganito. I-cut mo yung cone through, di ba, gawa ka na, di ba, merong from the radius up to may straight line to dun sa edge. Tapos ilatag mo sa isang flat surface. So, syempre hindi yan 90. There's going to be an angle, di ba? Na so a cone can be, di ba, kapag in-unwrap mo isang cone, finlaten mo, makabuo ka ng arc.
Yung parang ganito po.
Parang fan?
Hindi, wait lang. Inisip ko po yung itsura niya. Parang siyang sort of ganyan.
Hindi, parang ganyan.
Parang ganun.
Parang pamaypay.
So pili ka ng isang so yung interior angle tawagin mong alpha. Tapos ano yung length na yan, square root of
Okay.
tapos
Opo.
ano yung height ng kasi dito kung ang radius ng ang binigay na ng ano yan cylinder and a radius r, ngayon may cone tayo, yung base niya is r, yung height niya is binigay naman 2r, di ba? So square root of 2r square plus r square yung yung
Ganun lang pang
share ko muna yung construction ko.
opo.
Share. Share sa
Ilang.
reaching sun.
True base.
Yeah. So, may cone tayo, halimbawa ganyan. Tapos may height. So, yung height na to, it's specified as 2r, no?
Opo.
And then yun yung radius is r. So, yung length na to, square root. So, ang length na to, kasi right triangle, is going to
Stand height po.
Okay, so square root of 2r square plus r square. Okay. So 4, 5, this is square root of 5 times r. So pag nakuha ko na yan, ngayon pag nilatag yan, may ito yung tsura. This is square root of 5 times r. Ito yung alpha.
Is it a sector of a circle po?
Ito 2 pi r. Kasi circle yung, di ba, bumubuo ng circle yan. So, pag alam mo itong 2 pi r, square root of 5 times r, yung alpha,
area ng sector?
So, you can use the area of a sector, tapos kuha mo na yung surface area ng cone.
Opo.
Okay. Anyway, so yan yung lalabas. Ngayon, balik tayo dun sa sa solution mo. So, pa-share ulit. Yeah. Okay, so yung area expression ay 120 over r. Square root of 5 minus 4 third pi r square. And then yung derivative, negative 120 over r square plus 2 pi r. Square root of 5 minus 4 third pi. Yeah, parang yun, nandiyan yung r. Okay. So, substitute and we're going to get 65.1. Okay, ngayon, determine whether the stationary value of A is a maximum or minimum. So, patingin ng proof naman. Okay, so second derivative test. So, minimum. Okay, ang ginawa ko dyan, nag-table of signs na ako kasi na factor out ko naman yung isa eh. Okay, pero that's also going to work. Ngayon, yung next question, yung 11, nagawa mo na ba?
Opo.
Papatingin.
Wait, yung yung practice na 12 naman po muna. May discrepancy sa sa degree.
Sige. So, check natin yung 12.
Yan po.
Okay. So, Hmm, my expression for the distance. So we need 680 minus 260t plus 25t square. And then, okay, next, uh, so, so get the derivative, nakuha 5.2. Tapos, ngayon, pag sinubstitute A, B is equal to 2. Sige. Yung next,
It's an 11, di mo.
wait, di ba may ano?
11.
Ano yung nasaan yun?
Apo, 11 po. Practice now, 11.
Yung sa, hindi, sorry. Teka, check ko lang yung tanong. Find the value of t when, how do we know it's a minimum? May check ba na ginawa dyan? Of course, from the, di ba? Meron ko bang argument for that?
Second derivative test. Ay,
Ganito, tingnan mo yung
parang sobrang
expression
hirap
for the
yata.
first,
Parang sobrang hirap.
yung ano, yung table of signs for the first
First
derivative.
derivative na lang po. Parang, pagka sobrang hirap mag-derivative ulit, parang first derivative na lang po. Enter.
Okay. Tapos tingnan mo yung ano, yung expression mo for the first derivative. 25t minus 130 over AB.
Okay. T. T is square, okay. Square root. Paano kumaan yun?
Yung, hindi, suot mo lang, d of AB dt.
Yun lang
Kasi
po.
medyo na yung signs eh. Malino siya makita. Ngayon, tingnan mo yung ano, yung expression na 25t minus 130 over AB. Yung denominator, what can you say about that? It's a
It is
length.
square root with positive lagi.
Okay, so di ba dahil length yan, dapat positive yan.
Opo.
So yung nagde-determine ng sign yung numerator.
Okay, so hindi po siya counted. So 25t minus 130. Pagka greater than more, syempre. Tapos unless. Yun.
Okay. Ngayon, yung next na titingnan ko, di ba may skip ka dito sa practice now?
Aba, yung PN11.
Sige, tingnan natin 11.
Okay, mismatch.
May issue ba?
Mismatch sa degree. 0. Okay. Square, close box with square base. Close box. Square base. Natin is
So ang ano, yung side ng base, ang variable na ginamit ay
S po. Yun.
okay.
And then, top, bottom. Okay. H is equal to... Wait. Ayun! Okay, nakita ko na po yung mali. Wait, tuloy na lang. C is equal to... Bakit may in-include po tong, ano tawag nun? Cents.
Ano yan?
Bakit po ini-include tong cents po sa ano, pera?
Hindi, kung meron talagang, bakit? Hindi, kasi kapag bumibili ka naman talaga, di ba, usually hanggang cents yung cost.
Mm.
When you're dealing with real money. Yung $3, in-assume na natin, sakto din yan na $3.
Apo. Yun, wala na yung discrepancy. Yes. Okay.
Teka, pwedeng in-annotate mo ba kung ano yung, paano mo kinalculate yung cost?
Yan na po.
I mean, for example, i-point out mo lang for the reader, ano yung cost ng top and bottom? Ano yung cost ng side? Actually, pwede mo gamitin yung pwede kang gumamit ng ibang, ang ginawa ko siya, nag-ibang color ako para lang, nag-ibang space. Top cost, top and bottom cost. Yan. Tapos, yung side. Yeah. Para lang, tapos, yung figure, okay.
Yan na po.
So, doon na-define yung variables ng S and H.
There. Okay.
S4 plus
Okay. Ngayon,
ang mabilis. Kaya, 1,500.
wala po. Hindi, wala po sa akin sige.
Wait. Kaya, check ko lang yung calculation dyan. Kasi meron tayong hindi nagmamatch eh. So, 12x cubed minus 1,500, di ba? Pag finactor out mo yung 12 sa s cube, sa 12s cubed minus 1,500. So, 1,500 divided by 12 is?
1,500 divided by 12?
12.
125.
Okay. So, 12 times s cubed minus 125 equals 0. So,
Apo.
s cubed minus 125 is 0.
Dapat 5.
Mhm.
Kaya pala naka-quadratic ako. How did I not see it? Okay, yun po. Okay. 5, -5, and something new yata. 5, negative.
So,
5 and complex. Okay, 5 and
ah,
complex.
so yan lang yung real root.
Okay, so S equals 5 and then what dimensions? Okay, 5 by 5 by H is equal to n. Therefore, dimensions are
Teka, check ko lang ha.
yes. 5
So,
by
5 by
5 by 10 meters. Meters.
Okay, tapos teka, ano pa yung tanong? Yun na ba yun? What are the dimensions of the box if the cost of the materials is to be a minimum? Okay.
Abo. There.
Mhm. Okay. Kung hindi mo hinahanap ko yung cost, sige. So yung dimensions lang. Okay. So yung next, so pwede na yan.
Bro. Okay, there.
Okay, so 12D. Kaya, tingnan ko naman yung solution dyan. Okay, 1681. Mhm. Yeah. May straightforward naman at least ito. Yung next, patingin. So yung number 2. Mhm. Minimum value. So 2. Mhm. Tapos yung second derivative test ka. Okay. Sige, number 3. So 12,800. Find the minimum area. Okay. Sige, okay na yan. Kung hindi man hinihingi yung check na minimum nga talaga siya, di sige. So yung stationary condition, okay na. Although yun, no, pwede mo i-check yan eh. I-note mo lang na pwede mo i-check kung minimum nga, kung maximum pala yan.
Abo.
Straightforward na ano pa rin naman yun eh. Okay, yung number 4, tingnan ko. Okay, maximum volume is 500 cm cube. Okay. Sige. Yung next, yung number 5. Okay, so area is maximum area of the sector. Sino ba yan? Princess Dido ba yung yung binigyan siya ng string tapos i-maximize yung enclosed area?
Mm.
Parang ganun siya eh. Pero dito, restricted siya na dapat na sector.
Abo. Yung ano po
Okay.
yung yata po ng tire?
Mm. Actually, hindi ko maalala exactly yung myth eh. Pero naalala ko lang yung problem eh, sige, binigyan siya ng string. So, syempre, yung maximum enclosed area, circle.
Yan.
Okay. Yung next, patingin.
Okay, C. Ilan po? Yung 7 muna. Yan. 7.
Sige. Okay.
Pinakalakas. Patay. Sakit. Yan.
Is equal to 3x. Y, A is... Teka. May fence, no? 800 meters. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4x plus 3y equals 800. Ngayon, yung expression for the area. Bakit may 1... Ano ba yung, teka, anong total area enclosed? Yung 800 mo 4x over 3, yan yung area nung isang, di ba?
Yung nakasulat po sa taas.
Nung
Yung area total po is 3xy. So it is not necessary to do 3xy. Just maximum the area per parang isa pong enclosure, which is xy
Yun eh,
only.
kasi ano yan eh. Ang kaya ako tinitingnan kasi, 3xy, dapat, kasi hindi yung A mo at saka yung A total, magkaibang bagay sila.
A per yung ano po, yung ginamit ko mo.
Sige. Anyway, kung total area naman times 3, so sige, gagana din naman yan.
Bro, mas simple pala po kung area total.
Kasi wala akong awkward factors of 1 of 3 eh. Okay, so if you do that, 133 and 1/3 yung y, yung x is 100. So first derivative test lang. Tapos, okay, since hindi pinapahanap kung ano yung actually yung mga ganitong problems, ang problematic lang para sa akin ay pag hindi hinahanap, sige, hindi ko tatanungin. So, pero kung nasa klase, kung enrolled kayo na subject, kailangan mo i-check sa teacher, do I have to show that it is a maximum or sapat na yung critical condition?
Abo. Nasa ano yata po? Nasa next wala lang. Okay, abo.
Sige. So, yung number 6.
Number 6. Hindi lang po kami.
Meron pong number, wala ba? Okay. Number 6.
Balik tayo sa number 6.
Number 6. Where's the field attempt?
joining a hemisphere of radius r to a cylinder of radius r and height h. Tapos, ang kailangan natin yung volume of the solid. Okay, ganito muna. Anong volume ng hemisphere? May problem in two parts. That's a half sphere, di ba?
Abo.
Okay, tapos yung volume naman ng cylinder.
Yun mo.
Okay, so total volume is
Total volume, V is equal to
okay. Ngayon, anong given? Total surface area naman is 180 pi cm square. So pieces. Ano yung total surface area ng
there. Okay. Bakit po pala why is the surface area of a sphere made up of two major circles? Two great circles. Four great circles.
Kaya hindi ko naiintindihan yung tanong. Sorry.
Why is the surface area of the sphere 4 pi r, which 4 pi r squared, which is the kumbaga po four great circles na squinish niyo po squinish niyo po sila, ginawa niyo pong sphere. Why?
Actually, hindi ko alam.
Tama.
Sige. Teka, yung I think kaya may disagreement between yung sagot mo at saka yung sa book, no?
Abo.
Meron.
Check mo. I think yung baka yung reason ay in-include mo yung cap.
It is because of this po. I included the po sa taas ng na-include ko po yung sa taas.
Hindi, yung yung ang ibig sabihin ay ganito. Yung may bottom cap ka. Yun yung So tanggalin mo 'yan. Kaya hindi mo match kasi yung assumption ng author, which wasn't stated clearly, ay walang cap sa bottom.
Wala po sa baba?
Wala.
Bro, sana po yung figure na ganito. Wag ganyan po, tapos yung sinabi niya. It is open at the top, bro.
Oo. Wala eh. Yun yung niya eh.
Rest in pieces, RIP.
Total surface area. Yeah. Tingin ko, hindi, yun nga. Total surface area of the solid is, ang gulo ng niya eh. Kasi tama nga na dapat kung buong solid yan, pati yung bottom cap.
Sinabi po isa solid eh.
Oo nga eh.
Bottom.
Hindi, may problema lang tayo sa statement niya. Kaya hindi nagma-match.
Kayo rin po na nagkamali. Kasi medyo nagkamali po kayo.
Ako hindi ko maalala eh kasi July ko pa ginawa ito eh.
Abo.
Pero yun yung yun yung niya, kaya hindi nag-match. Cylinder. Teka, hindi. Check ko lang kung anong ginawa ko. Pi or yung cylinder, alam ko may cap. Ay, sorry. Teka, sige, gawin nga natin yung may cap. Kasi yung solution ko may cap din eh.
Cap.
So
Okay.
the surface area of the cylinder is pi r squared. Yung volume of the cylinder, surface area of the cylinder is yung hemisphere 2 pi r square. Hindi tayo interesado sa bottom ng cylinder. So sige. Sorry, kasi included pa rin yung cap dun sa solution ko.
Ano po?
Okay, so yung area ng cap ay
Pi r squared.
pi r square.
Okay,
Okay.
so ito po is 3 pi r. 3 pi r squared.
So okay. Sige. So nakuha na natin yung yung total surface area is 180 pi. So yung area ay 3 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Tapos, so we can solve for h, 1890 over r minus 3r over 2. Okay. So volume, sige.
Tama. Wala pala siyang doesn't have the something. The denominator. Okay. What's this? 3 pi r. Siguro dito po ako ng tama din. Okay, so over 6 yung isa is 4. Baka nga dito nga po. Okay, over 4. Tapos yung isa naman is 9. Okay, 4 minus 9, negative 5 over 6. Okay, equals
over 6. Sige. So match pa tayo dyan. Teka, wait. Pwedeng isulat mo uli yung V muna.
the V, then screenshot.
Mm-hmm. So pag differentiate mo yan, 5 para lang ma-compare mo. So 90 pi, sige. Minus, ngayon pag differentiate mo with this yung second term, anong mangyayari?
2. I found it. There. 5 halves.
Tapos, anong power?
Squared.
Okay.
Hindi kompleto. Nita ko na po.
Okay, so patuloy mo na. Okay na yan.
Equals 0. Matatanggal yung 5. Multiply by 2 muna.
Okay, sulat mo lang yung So,
two fifths ba? Yes, 2 fifths. Five. 2 over 5. So therefore r is equal to 6, not negative 6.
Okay.
And then h is equal to something. H is equal to this, what, copy. White highlighter. Here, okay, there we go. And then 6 6 what? No. 6 6 there. So this is equal to 6. Epic.
Mhm. Tapos, yung volume,
Volume is equal to, what is volume? There, nasa taas. 90 minus quantity 5 by 216 over 365. Nice. Full circle.
so 360 pi units.
Pi with the units. Centimeter.
So, pati yung radius pa yung height, lagyan mo na rin yung units.
Centimeters. Centimeters. There.
Okay? So, pwede ka mag-test niya ng mag-second derivative test or first derivative test para ma-check kung maximum nga talaga yan. Which we won't do. Yung ano dito talaga yung setup eh. I think yan yung point ng problems eh. Okay, so gawa natin 12D7. So 12D8.
Opo. But 12D8 versus 12D8. There. We have this something figure in the speaker.
Actually, ito yung best na part. I think yan yung itong ano na to yung itong section yung best part ng chapter na to eh.
I think that is because it is the end din po.
Yan yung ano eh, nung nag-math 53 ako noon sa UP, and I think kahit yung bagong calculus series na math 21, tingin ko yung problem solving experience yung kulang nila eh. Hindi kasi masyadong nag-a-assign ng ganyang problems eh.
Opo.
And I think kahit sa senior high, may problema yung for some reason ayaw na mag-assign ng word problems. Probably kasi mahirap nahihirapan yung mga students nila.
Yun nga po yung ano eh, yung practical na application sa totoong mundo. It looks a little goofy.
So label na lang.
Yeah. So what's the label?
X and Y.
X and Y. X na lang to. Where's the
Tapos yung height yung Y.
X and Y. Yun na lang. Same din po na. Medyo automatic na. Okay. So, volume is 8. 8 is equal to volume, which is S squared. I mean, I'm using the old labels. Okay, so therefore, I is equal to 8 over S squared. Area surface is equal to 4 H1. So therefore, this is equal to 4x 8 over x squared plus x squared. Real. Okay, so this is something cancel.
Okay.
DABS DX and then stationary. Okay. Stationary. Mm, 32 plus 2x cubed is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 times 52 complex. Therefore, from y equals 8 over x squared, y is equal to 1.26. And I think that's it. 8 meters. Well, 2.22 meters, 1.26 meters. Okay, good. Highlighting.
Teka. Um, X cube is what? Again?
Uh, excuse me. Doon yung ano po, yung tag doon? Yung, yung hindi decimal po.
Oo. Kasi
The,
ano yun eh. Check ko lang ha kung, yeah. Ang hinahanap niya roots eh. So,
what
Decimal.
should I call this? Ina po?
gumamit lang ng cube roots.
Cube root of 16 is 2 cube root 2?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the y
Unit,
is
unit.
equal to 8 over 2 cube root 2. Ay, 2 square root 3 to 2 cube root 2 squared. It should be cube root 2 meters. Okay, good. No, I didn't need that.
Sige.
Yes.
So, ang sabi,
Abo.
okay, find the length of the square base. So, nakuha na natin, no? Okay, sige. So, hindi ko na pa-prove yung minimum or maximum.
Abo. Yeah.
Sige. Next. Yung number 9.
Number 9, there are 9 spherical balls. Ito po, nag-struggle po ako dito, pero hindi pa rin po siya solved. Yung 10 muna po. Ito po, may tanong po ako dito. Because it seems to not match with the problem.
Teka, nakahawa ka na ba ng, ewan ko kung ano kasi nakahawa ka na ba ng matchbox?
Abo, yung nag-slide po, kung magaganito po.
Di ba may box sa loob na nagsislide?
Abo.
Sige.
Ito yung match.
Okay, sige. So tandaan mo yan kung nasaan yung mga butas nung bigger box.
Both ends po.
Okay, so with that in mind, i-set up mo yung figure.
Ano ba yung signify na open yan?
Okay, ngayon sinabi, the matchbox is open at both breadth ends. So, di ba meron siyang length and breadth?
Aba. So, dapat.
So, saan yung so, yung length is y. Tapos yung breadth is x. So paki-label diyan, nasaan yung x, nasaan yung y.
Ilan mo? Sis.
Got laki.
Parang hindi kita. Okay. So, so this is 1.5, that is 1. Okay, this is x. This is 1.5 x.
Mhm.
And then this is height. Okay, height na lang.
Okay.
Okay, so, the inner
Ngayon,
box.
sige.
Inner box.
Ito yung nag-struggle ako eh. Nung sineset up ko rin yan. Okay, tapos label mo rin. Nasaan yung x, nasaan yung 1.5x, nasaan yung h.
Okay. So, yan, okay na. So, this is X. Goofy looking yan. Yung ano po yung para din. So, this is H.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, good. So, it looks apparent naman mo.
Okay, so kailangan natin expression for the total material.
Opo.
So, kailangan natin yung area ng outer cover, which is yung sa above, area of the material making up the outer cover, at saka yung area ng material making up the matchbox, the inside box. Okay, so ano yung surface area of outer cover?
Surface area of outer cover is excluding yung ano nga po, yung dalawang ganun. Actually po, the question din is, what is the breadth? And what is the length?
Hindi, may expression pa tayo dyan. So, set up the expression.
Okay, okay.
Ano yung expression for the surface area of outer
Abo. Assuming that the x is the breadth end. Okay. The surface area is equal to top outer is equal to 1.5, okay, 3x squared plus 2 na 1.5xh, 3xh. Okay. Inner area surface area is equal to bottom is 1.5x squared plus side long is equal to dalawang ganun, 3xh plus side width or breadth is equal to dalawang 2xh. Okay, good. So this is equal to 5xh. Okay, in total, this is total 4.5 x squared plus 8xh. Yes. Okay. So, ngayon, the volume is 30. So the volume is 30 is equal, what's the volume? Total volume. XH 1.5 x squared h. So therefore, h is equal to um 30 over 1.5 20 over x squared. Okay. So ngayon na input.
Ako na yung space. Ayusin natin.
2x 2 is equal to 4.5 x squared plus 8x 160 over x. Okay, good. So ngayon, I will just differentiate this in screenshot.
Next page na.
Abo. Impossible. Ay, what happened? Okay there. Okay. Where is the white highlighter so I can remove this cockroach? Where are you?
Teka, so far, yung solution mo, yung ginawa mong solution, nagmamatch yung total area, yung expression na to sa sinetap mo before.
Abo.
Sige.
Saka tama naman po sa lang. Nasaan ako? Lang po. Bakit 20 over x squared? 20 over x squared. Okay.
Alam mo kung ano yung mistake kung bakit hindi nag-match?
Bakit po?
Yung location ng dalawang butas mo nasa length.
What? So dapat
kaya ang ingat kong pino-point out nasaan yung butas. Kasi yung butas, para lumabas yung 20 over x instead of, 160 over x. Sorry. Kaya lumabas yung 20 instead of 160 over x. Kasi yung butas, nalagay dun sa length side.
Tama.
Yun yung source ng error. And I know because I made that same error. Nagtataka, bakit hindi lumalabas? And then, dinlowin ko ng maingat.
Nabo.
Na mali yung location ng butas. So, ano yan eh. Tapos, chinek ko rin yung later edition eh. Turns out na, I think na-realize ng mga teachers na mahirap yung problem i-setup kasi ang ginawa nila, binrake up nila yung problem into pieces. Pero yun. So, nung na-trace ko na yung actually, yan yung part, yung mahirap na part dito, yung finding the correct expression for
yung visualize how it will look like. Okay, so difference.
Okay. Ngayon, at this part, alam ko na kaya mo nang gawin yan. Yan yung yan naman yung mahirap dito yung setup eh. Ano yung tamang expression for the area. Kasi, iiwan ko na sa'yo yan, tapos pag ginawa mo yan, ang lalabas sa sagot yan, match na siya dun sa back of the book.
No ba?
Kasi 6:05 na eh. So, you'll have to stop here. Pero yun. So, ito yung yung the setup of this expression, yan yung mission critical eh. Actually, dun sa for this whole section, yung setup ng i-maximize or i-minimize na expression, yun yung that's what you're actually getting. Yun yung skill na hinahanap dito eh. After that, once ako mo na expression, straightforward na yung paghanap ng maximum or minimum eh, di ba?
Opo.
Okay. Anyway, so since it's already past our time, we'll stop here. Tapos remind mo ako next time dun sa yung yung isang problem na kailangan din natin pag-usapan. I think 9, no?
Opo.
Okay, so we'll talk about that this coming Thursday na.
Opo.
Okay?
Okay po.
Sige, so we'll stop here. See you on Thursday. Bye-bye.
Okay po.
Bye-bye po.
Thank you po. Bye-bye po.
Where the record. Okay.
Bye.